Look at me. Look at me. Are you okay? Just look at me. Are you okay? My good girl. Baby, you're still awake. Look at me. Look at me. Still awake. What happened? Today's date is. Oh, it's the first dinner. I'm sorry. I just missed it because it just slipped from my mind because of the stress of the work. Well, how are you? Just look at me. Let me turn on. It just completely slipped from my mind because of the stress. Are you okay? Just look at me. Are you okay? Oh, my sweetheart. You didn't even share anything about your pain, huh? You always do that. No, that's my moral responsibility. Oh, your childhood things. Okay. Oh, so why are you still awake? Huh? Why are you still awake? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have some water first. Let me. Okay, drink. Be my good girl. Drink it very slowly. Very slowly. Little more. Good girl. Let me place it very safely. Yeah. So why are not? My sweetheart. So I should make you sleep. Tell me, what should I need to do? Oh, you won't tell me this time. I have to find out myself. Oh my god. My father-in-law, my father-in-law said to me that it will be very challenging for you to please her. Now I remember him, and that was the most correct decision. Okay, listen. Oh, my sweetheart. I know by the pain you are going through. I can relate it, but I'm with you. You are the sweetest part of my life. Huh? Don't ever think so. I told you now. No anger. My good girl. Mhm. On forehead, on your left side, on your right side, on your chin. My girl. I won't go before you. No, never. Do you think I would be able to sleep? No, you will sleep with me, okay? Hmm. But before that, I need to calm you. Just my sweetheart. Your naughtiness go away, huh? My sweetheart. Okay, just go to sleep now. Okay, you will sleep for sure. Okay, let me adjust myself. Okay. Oh, nice. Sleep. Now, no excuse. Go to sleep. I won't be tolerating anything now. Just go sleep. Okay. Sleep with me. I think you should be closer to me. Sleep. Sleep, my girl. Sweetheart. Go to sleep, okay? Yup. Okay, sleep with me. Okay, sure. Well, yeah, my hands are veiny because I'm going gym from last several days and especially consistently for you.